Disappearing isn't about running away, it's about stepping back to rewrite your story. It's not dramatic, it's deliberate, and it's done step by step. Here's how to actually disappear and come back stronger. Step 1. Disconnect to reconnect. Turn off the noise, log out of the apps, mute the distractions. Stop letting the world's expectations fill your head. You're not missing out, you're making space. Let the silence do its work. Step 2. Audit your circle. Not everyone deserves access to you. Ask yourself, who builds me? Who drains me? Start saying no and stop explaining why. This isn't about them, it's about you. Protect your energy like it's sacred because it is. Step 3. Build your fortress. Find your space. Maybe it's a room, a corner, or just a mindset. Somewhere you can think, work, and grow without interruption. This is your ground zero, the place where the new you is born. Step 4. Work in the shadows. The loudest moves are made in silence. Set goals that are yours alone. Hit the gym, learn a skill, build that project. Without posting about it, let your progress speak for itself. Step 5. Fall in love with boredom. Growth isn't glamorous. It's repetitive. It's uncomfortable. Embrace the grind. The small, unsexy actions you take every day are the foundation of greatness. Show up even when it's hard, especially then. Step 6. Stay patient. This isn't a sprint. Transformation takes time. Let them forget about you. Let them wonder. Because when you return, it won't be as the person they knew. It'll be as the person you've built. Step 7. Resurface with purpose. When you're ready, you won't need to explain. They'll see it in your energy, your focus, your results. You'll be unrecognizable, not because you disappeared, but because you transformed. This is how you disappear, quietly, intentionally, unapologetically, not to escape life, but to create the version of it you've always deserved. Now go. The world will wait.